Me, I ain't doing that shit. I can't do that. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Kyla Mecha. I'm all about food, fun and travel, and today's vlog is on fun. But before we get into it, a moment of silence to the hospitality sector. When you're nyumbani, because we couldn't travel this Easter yani, because Jaden decided safety first. A moment of silence. Okay, like for real though, yani issue kama in the month of March I'm the problem, because anytime the month of March in Africa, incidentally, I usually have big plans, big travel plans, but for some reason last year and this year again, my travel plans did not come into realization because of COVID. Lakini this time we decided, regardless whether or not COVID wants to spoil things for us, we shall do something interesting for the Easter period. So I went online and found Nkasiri on most people's pages, Instagram stories. It was like a new adventure people had just discovered. And then to add on top of that, Naomi had already visited that place a few weeks before, and she did a very detailed blog about it. I will drop the link over here. So yeah, it actually motivated me to go there because it's an amazing place. First of all, not far away from Nairobi, considering you can't leave Nairobi anymore. And then it has a lot of activities, but the best of all is the high ropes challenge. That is what is actually taking me there. Then other than that, there are these pods. The two places where we're going to sleep are in pods. You will see what the pods look like. So I'm really excited for this adventure. I can't wait to get there. I'm actually just about to leave in the next few minutes. And yeah, I can't wait to bring you along to share this experience and show you how despite COVID you can still have lots of fun. Before we get into it, I'd like to know what travel plans do you guys have? Were you able to travel to wherever place you wanted to go? If you didn't go, did you have an alternative? Did you get new packages over Easter? Please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you did during Easter and all those things. And then kuna wale mna travel bado. How are you doing this thing? Because I have friends who are telling me they are traveling to Nairobi this weekend, they are going to Kisumu. I'm like, how are you guys traveling? Me, I wanted to go out and I'm not even able to. So please, mtupatie siri pale kwa comment section. Finally, my God, we're here. I've been woken up by a bird knocking at our door. Hey, birdie. Yes, it is lockable. Hi guys, we are at Nkasiri Adventure Park. We got here yesterday and it has been an amazing night sleeping at the pod over here. So Nkasiri has various accommodations. There are tents. You can choose to sleep in the tents provided by them. Other than tents provided by them, you can also come with your own tents. And then we have the pods. These ones, which are my favorite and actually the most beautiful around. I'll show you a photo over here of what the pod looks like inside, but I won't do a video right now because the room is not tidy. I should have taken one last night, but the lighting wasn't good by the time we got here. By the way, just ignore the background noise. There's like a lot of us around here, so I can't really control the noise by the background noise. Anyway, so these pods have different categories. You can choose a single or a double. So a single means you're going to spend the night alone in the pod, and that goes for 3,500 shillings. That is inclusive of bed and breakfast. And I must say their breakfast is actually quite generous. It's something that you can eat now to meshiba for the rest of the morning. You'll see what you have for breakfast. And then if you're going to pick the double option, meaning there's going to be two of you, then that will be 4,000 Kenyan shillings per night. Considering there's two of you, it means there's going to be, you're each going to spend 2,000 Kenyan shillings. Get the math? Yeah, so it's actually cheaper if you share it with your friend, because you'll only spend 2k, and like using it alone where you spend 3,500. And then another thing about this place is the pods were like, there were enough toiletries. Like they provide toiletries over here. Like we got towels, we got sandals, tissue, the basic soap, and even toothbrush. I mean, they got you on toothbrush and toothpaste. Yeah, that was really nice of them and thoughtful of them. So it reduces on the packing. You don't have to carry all these things, unless of course you like using your own. And then the staff are really friendly and ready to help anytime. It's just a phone call away. Just call them and they're totally ready to help you. So that is one of the things I like about this place, the pod. This is the most amazing place. You need to come and spend your night here. Of course, the tents are cheaper. I'm going to show you a rate card. Yeah, I'll put a poster with the different prices, but I definitely go for the pods all day, any day. Other than the pods, there are so many activities around here that we are going to engage in today, and I'd like to bring you along. So can't wait to show you what activities they have around. You guys, yesterday I wasn't ready for this journey. Before we begin, acha kabla mimi niwaambie story, acha tu the chauffeur himself atuambie how was the journey getting here for you yesterday.
So if ukisikia msemo inasema milima na mabonde. Literally milima na mabonde.
Wallahi.
This place is quite a distance from the main road. If you planning to come here, make sure you invest in a big car.
A four-wheel.
10-15 kilometers roughly.
So we took the bed and breakfast option, and I must say breakfast here is totally worth it. Like we were asked to choose from a certain menu. Sisi nani tukasema we want everything. So yeah, here's the food. We have eggs, sausages, nini. There's tea, there's juice, kuna cereals pale. Ukishakula hii, you don't even need lunch, by the way. Yeah, can't wait to devour and see if it's as tasty as it looks. This is like the central place where guys meet up and play games. We have the pool table over there. Pool goes for 50 bob per round. Then right behind it, kuna the table tennis. That one is free. One thing I love about this place is that most of the games are actually free. Then you can just chill here and have your drinks or have your meals from over here. Going towards the high ropes course. I'm sure you can already see it over there. you guys, this is level 3. Me, I ain't doing that shit. I can't do that. Sasa ukislide. There's so much playthings over here. We have more swings here, though this is more of the kids section. Yeah, but even as a grown up, you can decide just come have some fun over here. But yeah, we have these. We have the trampoline over there. I'd actually totally do this. I think we didn't have enough time, but I would have come over here. I don't know why we missed this, but we spent more time on the other side compared to this. We have that game over there. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, there is so much to do. So it's also kid friendly. Yeah. By the way, thank you so much guys for helping me last time during my one Kaila vlogs at one. You guys were very helpful. You helped me reach my target to Lipita 400 subscribers. Right now we're I think at around 410 subscribers and above. I'm really grateful for your support. Thank you so much to all of you who shared it with your friends, to all of you who subscribed, to all of you even who shared the vlog and everything to all your friends and family. I'm really grateful. And now we are in a journey to 500. Journey to 500. I hope Bado you will continue being with me and supporting me in whichever way possible. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much. Thank you for watching my vlog. Until next time, it's been real.